Happy Sunday to you all. But of me more kwa babim. And then so a da for frosting kokra a ya sign a share beam. And as ye kesiye and koma abwafwa. Ona soma sinina. Ene wadani da unya bre. Na woje bre. Na wo sheme. Bi jidi se nyankopon adom. Oni ebusua ni nyina. Ohoye. Minim se dru kwasi ada se ya wo se mini bebia mehwe. Actress Nayas experiences pe. Ena mehwe edru kwasi ada. Meda wase. Na me onko so nyi oyi ma me wate. Frobi no bi mfrobi. Aka chom se ye na ya saba. Bedafo Jeffas mixture. Edri. Isi betu yare dom ni nyina efiri so. Entena se ema yare no endokro. Entena se ema yare no enje omboso. Herbal medicine ba ko pa che se Ghana eni abrochi bebia de obi agina tum. Eye chifas mixture. Betu yare ni nyina se hepatitis B, malaria, typhoid, menstrual pain. Any area hora ekeka ho nyinara. Bedofo tutu emrikei na kotubi. Ibisi demo ho. Na ne ebusua no. Esremo a. Monchemfa wate. Fa number ne sisi a. Bebi bia wo bedru bia e wo herbal shop na se pharmacy shop bia ubinya bi. Na wi a emema no abasubo die obi enim say eye Jeffas P capsules pe medofo tutu emrekei be me entena se na oba ne fo wanim enya fomo misraw esese be ma die bo adwuma oyere wo ho na empemu agro no wini wo ba no wini wo ba ne hats ti be bia obi aro tutu emrekei. Angel beverages, angel drinks, anum dear, yea, anum dear. A good minimum, a coyo. But of a baby, oh, be yarn to America, na quajo dear. Just a beverages, sugar be anymore. Sugar dear, kitty. Flavors ning nebi ho. Be say, the Uncolani are lawyers near doctors, a teacher from very wap, just say, you are falling for Crawford, cried the Indian jay. When you're the pan will be boss to an actress and no young conqueror. So, baby be a obian. To tell me, I could too dear. Quajo shoes and pabwa papa, if he quajo shoes. I will dance some roadness so Sakaman Junction and soon ya me. Road na so ena kwajo shoes ewo fa kwajo shoes number ne na baby a obia medofo ko na kwajo di empabo papa efe na hodin wom empabo ani enya empabo na oto ya utu na ba ko mi no na ase ya wa ni bi na ase atu ni bi tutu America matari ehye mi 2PC mi beautiful 2PC if you Debbie's closet Debbie's say one in the conversation Debbie's closet me pacho Debbie's closet ko TikTok but Debbie and I said Debbie's closet atari ahoro wo pe bia no pomode na DM ana fa the number no afa send no e wo WhatsApp ne so na baby a wo bia no obey delivery at the amount but of way yay me braided hair me cornrow yi nanu aye she mi bi nkofo kasa na ya se yata hye ne fataw che se ema wenim da ho se Angel TV no no kre misro if we cute cats palo cute cat palo emi na efese biso baby bia owo bia no se ba na wi papa fi dia emfa weni nkire ba bia fa weni chim ewo apeka junction na so opposite Echo Bank cute cat palo enwi ahuru bia opibia ebeye ediama fa number ne sisia papago furniture enkunya papa ehotse na ahodin wom one location ewo Kisema junction ne so ho no wa me do foi to America akwaje odi wo mugusu eyese osim chese yatete niema ne so ankasa discount no yat just say 50% to say 40% office furniture just be baby omo wallpaper curtains blinds just be baby ewo ho to America akwaje odi me do foi me say imri me twa me ho akwa surprise abruzisia nti tami chuku afrobi obi mfrobi mebesia yeah mi mo akwa babi mu e de mo ba experiences in life so na dem si nipa me de na ebrem mo surprising odi yen hwa de mra sisia aha eti mo hwe hwan ya eye PM enne minsaka mi PM ewo fie ha PM to kese ahofadua trese dia samu kenkon the whole superstar cash ene misaka no mi fie ayene no ebe share na brabum experiences and now mama let's take mama let's take mama and I'm a superstar Kumawood actress osan here businesswoman misaka no so fia say ye bedin komo PM ebe share na brabum life experiences iti yankwe na enkomo akwaba I was here for ye mamu nyina akwabo PM uni madia emi fe pa wo hu
da we do ka chere
oto eni chese wanentu etisi fom eni ade ba ko a uyi ana ekumi kra ye wo sere ye no PM fe ne sia chese yana em sa say menye agudie bibi na ma na ase metu ahu agudie bi wo fom PM bibi aboko di
ya mi adom ye boko ya mi adom
ne kasa ne jese ya mi adom ya mi adom ya mi adom ampa mama let's take na ho ye
ya mi adom mi ho ye
ejun boko wow
now see Kumawood actress versatile baby ya
oh okay
ye glamour na me ye epic no so
PM edi PM no ye pese hu se eyudin kasa na se ebisi ehu din kasa ehye adakema umame ana wawofo edema
okay ansa na me ansa no mechia adofo no machia obi bia was supporting PM Rain's brand to this extent. I want to say God bless you all and my loved one, my family, my haters, everybody. Thank you.
Hey, your haters. Yeah. Do you have haters?
In life, you have haters. Sometimes you will know. Won't me who say you're a hater, but who post it, you will say, I'm more comment section down. I'm not what you team say, this is my, if I will keyboard warriors. Yes. Eh, na ebi me ka say PM na na ajo na say me na me ko find say be brand to me so but entisa surprisingly no baby am nya me din PM no. You know, apart from say me code yasa no because reality show be a friend of Sexual Plus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that was on 2013.
Oh.
Yeah, because me Sexual Plus means me TV station.
Yeah.
Yes. So me call you know me that's some kind of me papa ayare.
Okay.
Nti TV ho no say ukra also to me try to unya sa reality we in moment na so okay. Nti o wa no ye peke na mana ye koye. Ye ko shia ye peke ye koye nkofo dawson. Edru me so ni etimi ye dey ye fae. Judges ne baako card yes two baako card no. Ma me call exercise nyina echi ni nyina echi yes ya do mo fa me. Into no more office war Jolu highway ni so me Sexual Plus.
Oh okay.
Ti e koy na afi ye se obi anfa edin obe yusu. Our stage, yes, or stage name. It's immediate. About pa. My church list bebre. They say oh sexy diva, sexy obolo, tipsy. Mommy heard me now say, "Mommy, what do you mean a short be?"
Okay.
So woman no sorry, send me finity. But on a chaperone.
Okay.
Yeah, on the cast okay. What Obisam said me din me full name ye day. Na me butcher no. That was Precious Mensah.
Okay.
And also okay near for P and for M near day. Account that is Mr. Mrs. Me. Yeah. Okay. Or no nene chaperone make sexual plus. That is how I had my name. Okay. It's me free honor me name more and I'm who say social media no a platform man. It's going to help. Okay. So I started that channel near dear me be most juma you know in life and certain channels be you over share be on my sometimes positive it means a negative. So me wanna me call from a friend say me call year registration be or APES. Okay. The APES so how no year advertising company. Okay. In case of so your advert and I say yeah. So me call you know and I'm seeing to more plus size I'm on my adverts. So that time no na I didn't go in since mo say adverts number na glow adverts. Oh okay. Inti no na omenye bi wo Nigeria dada. Omeye main advert inti ka me fa wa ha nka me billboard ni voice over. Ho na sika ni do so no. But unfortunately kululu bi ko share Nigeria ho ma ni fa ni nya na say video ni pe no mo pe wa ha. Oh okay. And am be koye adverts into 2013 ni mu na. Me de call me name Madam Fubi if Mary ono so ne to so pa se sa wodi em oh hey me auntie don't go there it's all there so pa aka mami not as a tour oh okay yeah as a tour no ewabusuan nim ewabusuan chemfa maji ye nyina ye de aboso body ni de baby everywhere 8 p.m. co school when because school or I don't think senior high school and a private school. Oh, okay. Yeah, crying check baby a homecoming. Okay. That will be July to August. Yeah, I will going to me highway in so. Oh, okay. I want to be cool school. Oh, wow. Yeah. It's a brother in a school. Me school in early say 2000s anymore. Any ache. SS. Secondary school, right? Secondary school. Any ache. Yeah. Wow. Oh, my mama, you do say. Me, mama, my year for 2 boys, 2 girls. Me, your last one cried me Brian side. Oh, yeah, yeah. Very handsome boy. Yeah. Wow. Met it in a man bag girl. PM, Abrabum to say. Okay. Make us say a year, and say I'm sway dear men can say me she den twe mu 100 and I mean call 40. Okay. But kakra na mafim na ye so acclaim me. Okay. E kwan ben na PM fa so a obewura diasem. Okay. Diasa no season 1. Belinda may you say rest in perfect peace. Madam Fubrebo me nia ma de nyina me ne ko share o busy plus. Okay. And you find your home. So no link name be seen so. And you call your advert ma the Asafos for season 1. Oh, okay. So you call your advert ni mono. Me I made them who say na me that time young girl my son she. Say you may be about they say free or and they would dim. Because when you so ko peka kra dey aye sort onyema hot. It's you call your advert ni mono. Now one for oh season 1, send you call viral. People were thinking, say, I'm part of it. But not me in Kahun. It's in my yes, and oh, come be oh, I didn't want call register for next season. Yeah, then I'm so me need serving Mr. Mary. Ain't me, Auntie Mary, at a mammy or Caswa. Okay. Only the crew last summer, our Canada. You call one time be. Nti akwa we a ni kunu ye kokko ko chile ni ade sometimes obefa ho akoton ade PM nchowa no pe chilling pa oh chilling there life is too short you need to share some hours and you need to chill. Okay, you understand? Okay. Yeah. I say you need to chill. Okay. So your kokko no oh yeah chili bi ya chili ni e tombi It's a whole woman be or baby a cost no, and he fe be or no say, ah, mammy, me shower, or could ya say bebo. To come a beer, obiase kodiasa, obiase kodiasa. Me kwana mse my bread, any diasa, diasa. I'm saying, me na me adverse no season 1, so I don't have no interest. No, so I want to urge you. I want you to go. It's okay. Sad time muna. That was 2019 time muna. That time no more yet. On my lunch navy or more yet. Open from no almost at work.
Okay.
So mobile crowd na me wa ha. Chum. Inti me ma me kwa man crowd me busi ani me fearful nyina me share me boot share me biker short na me tour more me market. Wow. Me call ye na get see home you omu yem di gege because what you omu hwe no abi na me da. Me ko nya na obi ase me get we ene me free kofo bebre to say by 5 e can say no don't register again they'll come next season because they know since they don't have chance if I'm there but I want since when God says it's your time
then it's your time
no matter what if like because me say me coach you fear I mean if they can me do fear for some time me auntie the cast okay won't you consider me say oh me oh na me share nyema me fa me boots share me jersey top e share me biker me fa car me kuma no ye dress and no ah oso a no say ah na me ye friend me abna no say ah adi nti na e gba wo kwai na me say kuma me check ade o is try ho baby aba ah nti o say mo fie bi owo yi body de bi ba me kwai na me qualify no city akra me time no na on base zone no we ni wodomi a we be call tema nti na say we be originals and sane afaw nti no ye fa me wo domino and ye originals no ti ye originals ni de call tema nti me fi domi ba no na ye bom me say fi domi a be du fie ti me be du fie no na me fie gate ayema
from Domi to Central Hill
to Central me be do fie na me fie ayema ba na me say ah na dey man kan chiro bia o me refi say TV so na go here no
okay
yeah because the thing about we meant me kan chiro bia and say me kai say me come sexel me susu ho chenko for I told my friends and staff omuka say oh Charlie doggy we dey via me ni ade I'm so okay it me free ho na me to me ho for say me ko ye bibia I won't tell anybody about it okay I'll make the move first say me ko na 50-50 it's a praise on my side. You connect to Nsuma. Well, who many name did see one say me rahua. O bomb me now catch it. O bisa me there the animal catch you say, Charlie. Because yes, and Joe bina in CC so then. Be the Maria who for Maka. You could see each other. But I said, Becca from the beginning there because I want me home like Bibi me ko Bibi na me catch you bia. It doesn't succeed. So I don't tell people anything I want to do.
At the time I would call the Asana wouldn't say Ube Niana because all corner uncle for brave womb. Tina wouldn't say what they were talking siano. Quack or Kawa Masha na sir. Because now so Motono would the and what did she woman now? Now when it's saying
to be realistic, because yes, and I didn't have the mind say Bekwaku because at the end they know, even though said they were looking for body no. But no more other things are on motion. Okay. Apart from so body, no, you need to have the energy. Also, to me, what skills, no, you need to be creativity. And also to me, sir. You may say, no, na me sad day, but na me nye Mike. Mean to me, start to say Michael Jackson. Me so I mean your dance Lloyd, and I mean so I mean to me incredible Ziggy story. But me dear, me kakra meeting ya, you know, I can do it. So I didn't have the mind say no. Internet e bi mo yire omo ho e bi acrobatic e bi de omo kon wo ho me de asano me ko ye rehearsals but me ti beat na me say me de mensa aye bibia okay me de alo be shem say na your body ne dia ene ye de yire ye ho say ye ti me ma pause ni akonu usio na mo back pay ya say to aso wow yes odi for wetin me di ma dance odi for so ba me ti me san maka ma ka say Mama is says you ma kono man ma beto aso. You understand? Because then na me sheda na me so. Nti na me timi me ho gidi sa ba me wie ye no when you say oh house on ma omo do fa nyema bebre mu you who say show no is not all about say you win alone. They'll groom you. Oh okay. And when they groom you they'll give you the platform. It's you have to use as a mileage for yourself. Oh. And therefore to Uber pass you a healthy lifestyle. because you were other dietitian coming through to psych you psychologically, mentally and stuff. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a very great platform.
Wow.
Yeah.
You say bisa say okodi asano judges no obi kan bibia one pair ananso say e bia meka say audience no omo so kan bibi ma ne bu wabem comment ben e na wote ya anya wo de ene de ye wo de.
Okay. Me PM per se, my whole life I've been like a movie.
Okay.
So when you walk on the road, people will be they'll be doing their own stuff. I'm used to. Once ya so ni say. Oko baby ya. O so do. Sabe o bra size. Yes, e koyo what do you call it?
China na.
Shop or and I
say.
Or more can be because of bra. You say yes, so tonight.
I just said that pam bra size.
Yes, I say so all these things I'm used to. Okay. Kenya idea sanya ma we be call school ni idea. Me say me na be call me mama. E be call school, be call through school. No be a pie.
Wow.
Ebe work.
Wow. Wow.
So I'm used to. So nothing like negative comments really push me because I'm used to. Unless maybe I want to mind you. Okay. When I want to mind you, then me and you, we are on the edge. You go down with me. Hey. Because I won't let you. I won't think sometimes wrong. So our comments we say no. Away we down. Away we down. A bit more to me a committed suicide. People just recently Lady Way Mona Lisa Stevens yes we free honestly you say honest not your body positivity ambassador. Okay. Because within the page is not also encouraging Crawford to slim near there to live some lady be on also all looking up to her no also comments near there so committed suicide. Hey. Yes, obi on more to me. But me PM dear, I don't care. Wow. I want to tell you, I don't care. I like your confidence. I don't care. Wow. I quite remember me ma call me photo shoots. Nenya me adom. Big girls online. Ah, what Agengano. Ama matadi a sponsor ma call me photo shoot. Na ma post you. Minka obia. Na lady bia be sure wasi. How de ka? Mami animal bianca. Minka so considerate. Wakofa animal on him skin color yepe. I see me ye hippopotamus. Are you serious?
It's a lie.
Oh, serious.
Me see me go papa. Omo afa no hanche no. Omo man life here miserable. Na me call ni DM. Na me nan so boko die. O ye sure so sorry ye. Baby like obi abonana and obi na kontokwa like oni me die. Then ye no. When me reply me na me call the photos. Fanchani you know me twemo sabe ne ho on say me bi ne ho nya fe. Wow. Iti on mama who say no people like this no they don't have also more data 2 cities no mama be dede. Sometimes a matured person who wants to tell you the truth. Me sometimes when I post people come to my DM, oh I want you to lose weight. Oh wow. They'll tell you the truth. Okay. I have so many people PM. No, I want such people I pay attention to them because someone sorry. They have the mind. Okay. You get it. But those ones, the other ones, oh
wow. So, who you be a PM ubufuntem? Sometimes
say first, when people say those things I just watch it. I won't reply. Be sure I don't reply. Okay. I say I end the panic. Okay. No, I continue no aba. Okay. Just recently, me posted me short skits near day. So just recently me posted here. Some lady me posted was say as if she eats or the whole village. So yeah, so she wants your village to also eat. So where is your village? Yes, you go back to when you don't do them like that. They'll bully you, they intimidate you. Oh, okay. They'll put you back to your shop. Okay. It's not easy for a plus size woman to stand on social media. TikTok now, but most of plus size. And most of plus size groups need reality shows and are boosting most of them their confidence. Yeah. So when you do that, you're not helping us. One will be on my own yammy confidence. No, okay, 1 2 okay, and I had a MPMU. Obi onuma obema back to back. I have a friend who stays on osu behind the papaya Aunt Linda. Or no cast or swan back to back or no obey your woman while we soon.
PM, are you emotional type? Oh, sign a quick tempered and I don't know if person you.
Me a honey ho. As a human being there, you need to you can't say you be low.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I'm not a saint. So far I say I dear wow betting in I won't say I'm a quick tempered person. I won't say I'm too emotional. Okay. But I'm in between.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sanya wotie no. Eya etoda wabemubu.
Yeah.
Wow. Asking how.
Sometimes when you see all these comments and stuff, it gets to you. Me, I won't lie. Sometimes it gets to me, and I feel to miss the person that will fight. It gets to me to the core. Okay. Seriously, it gets to me. I want to just meet the person. Then I ask the person why.
So edentina etoda eya anasanya wotie no wabem ebu edenti.
You know, especially when people make it look like plus size people don't deserve to be at a certain place. Okay. In an industry like this, people the focus are on people are omoye to slim near there. Plus size for no ebimbenya most of we are just a while who linker a bit me push you then say we link here back up and then say we connection. What's the make say? And I can say when you say adverts we say ni panic to me creating money for plus size side. You bet me a contact to be a plus size to get to you. Okay. You understand? Sometimes make you feel say, hey. Also, Suma will suit you. And sometimes social media to plays a very big role. Because sometimes Okono be looking nice, nanny way, BB or near and say, and they say when this person ISR we need then I have to try to say because what you say people are looking up to that person to get more things.
BB or they are working, yeah. And him fan and a fat no udi begu because one obetwetwe ebia wonnan ebia sabi woyam kakra na odi akogu kuto se etu isu na ayese story be wodi eno na hefa na odi bakakogu. Okay, so baby no your in case of best our body enhancement your ties be break. Okay, in case o ambassador son obetimi ye no. Okay, then maybe you do with your stomach. Okay. Open now person or 9 year pencil. Maybe say person na be pencil. 9 year pencil o koto gina be yo. Me
crowd
them 9 year pencil unti me patcho me person o so 9 year pencil.
You know yes and I won't say na baby one ma you want to mold it.
Oh okay.
You know on since social media most ladies there. Some of us look up to them and others to look up to us. Okay. You understand? Yeah. So there's certain things on mobile put you know. We feel say okay lady way send yanko for I shall be who change your looks kakra then also people will come into your DM you get deals and things so you want to channel to where the person is also going.
Enipo yes slim and as a ma wo ye slimmer yeah as a word marry man and say me who how I make no as when ni diomachi as a person yet to say oh, ma omo yes slimmer. E na tembia wish ni say opese o yeti so omo ana.
Oh, okay. So me who ladies omo yes slimmer. I admire them, but right now I can't do anything about it. Okay. So I say, oh, you look beautiful. I like what you're wearing. Okay. Fine. So me too. I'll look onto that. And I'll shape myself. Oh, your plus size I want. It depends on how you work on yourself. Okay. Well, the way
Mama bebem sisi ya.
Senya obeshe watadi.
Okay. How I'll be dressed.
Senya also sometimes your dresses be on master plus size. Osha e be exposed to be brave. Obi hu a go wear crap and na own sister. Okay. Into a type of dress I'll be sha e betimi amodu ashim. Okay. Okay.
Me tell say pa. It is a o san be wi ase bi mu a. Ka be pese o mani say obeye slim. Anase. Obey medium.
Maybe in between. At least size 12 won't be bad.
Okay, it is a one kasa oh bow one. It's a one kasa bow one and I mean shape be and as a size be and I can send our be pese over bone.
Rather yes, me challenge you. Me challenge you. But at least I make on a size 12, you know.
Oh, okay.
I like my breasts a little bit yet go. My stomach to go. I like my buttocks.
Okay, wow. Okay, so say now what to hono. What your size are
215 kg. Yeah.
Weigh 215 kg.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a kawunya yanka be weigh saying
yeah, I mean 95.
95. And a brazier size and so you're saying.
Which I don't really know. Me use me old ones no. And
old ones no.
I don't recall. I just say and we say no my koshe we know to use it. I don't. It makes me maybe 46 GD. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure.
It's a mema ushia mema sign ya omuhu isifa.
Okay, we have people who they don't like plus size women.
Okay.
They don't. It's a no. It's a turn off.
Oh, okay.
And sorry, I can't do that about me. Okay. You know? And we have others. Oh, the love plus size women.
So, do you have a boyfriend?
Oh, Nayas.
Yes, darling. Yeah, no, I want to tell us. Do you have a boyfriend? Or do you have boyfriends?
Hey, boyfriends, there are many. Okay, my boyfriends out there, if you know yourself. Kisses to you.
Yeah, do you have a boyfriend?
Oh, nice, baby. Boyfriend? Oh.
Mama, 18 person be mo obetimi abem wadaroma. Do you have a boyfriend? How do you hear me pa?
Okay, maybe I think I feel maybe I'm in something serious and maybe that person is not feeling we are in a relationship, you know.
Okay.
So I can't say are you sure we are? Because
what's natural?
I don't know.
Is it because I want you na said ye?
To say, oh no, I won't say I have people I'm talking to. Yeah. Let me put it that way.
When go out, do you have a boyfriend? You say, as a when you want to be, as a only GDB.
Now be me person me Jenny Pana. Obi banu etum say me boyfriend. Best on no on for me serious.
Okay.
So me ma for the walk up na edu baby I said on time check it up near there no. Yeah, say kind of boyfriend. Oh mommy sikebi me nya she. What do I say? Sorry, I'm not saying that, but it's understand.
One nante sase o call o baby. And a baby be a chase you abeji wo number set na need to wo person na what's another.
Oh, so many times.
So many times. Wow.
Yeah. Let me correct myself before people start to fight me.
Okay.
I have a boyfriend.
Okay.
I have someone serious.
Okay.
Unless God knows best.
Okay.
Let's see. So very soon, save the dates will be coming.
Oh, really?
Finally, yeah.
Wow. Finally. Oh, okay. It's yen sheni mu dabe. We worried dabe.
Very soon. Very soon.
Oh, say.
Very soon.
Very soon.
Soon can be anywhere. It can be
tomorrow.
December. It can be July. It can be anywhere. So save the date. And also, a bit more. I mean, use so platform in Kabibi. Unfortunately, because yeah, music video mobi na our video me share gun near there.
Okay.
So ama people have this miscommunication say I'm already married. It's not true.
Okay.
I'm not married.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm about to.
Oh, okay.
So when you're sleeping, pray for me.
Okay.
At least I'll be the second largest plus size woman in the world, Ghana, and the world to get married.
Wow.
So you'll be there. Maybe with me.
There be. Men to us one. PM wedding fee saying.
My age.
Yes, we want to know.
I don't like to say my age.
No, tell us how old are you? We want to know. Say wedding fee say.
Yeah, you know, yes, age there, yeah, in time can't.
No, but you see who PM unfair wedding. We want to know. It was a show where life experience.
Okay.
A show.
Let me say I'm in my late 20s.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, really? And they're when 29.
Yeah.
Wow, when ya anasafe na ubenya
29. Me dim birthday 19th, you know, 19th January.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Opportunities be na dia call dia sano ebibi amount.
Oh, okay. Judia Sano, I've worked with people, worked with Stone Boy. That was last year with the track, you know, Wine with Spice Official. I've done an advert for the other spices. A few works.
So into no person.
Keche, yeah. Keche with featuring Pam Eugene. I done an advert for Glow.
It is our opportunities we nyina no is because of their sa and the mouse we nyina ana.
Yeah, let me see. It's because of their son.
Good.
Because I didn't they know since me call their son. Even though some call me sexual, people know me, but not yet too much.
But their son and my
yeah. So let me the shit up from there. They be me grateful say me call ye because me call ye no come me say ka woni me.
Debut.
Come mama ka woni me. And so I'm grateful for them.
Wow.
For making PM to become PM.
And we are proud of you. You are so beautiful.
And because of due to their son, now I've started not long ago, just like last week. Now I have my own ushering services. That is PM ushering service. In case you are doing, we want girls to.
Are they equally plus size girls?
I'm targeting plus size, but I want to mix.
Can it trick? I kind of rough no can
okay. Ushering services.
Okay.
So me targeting a plus size curvy women, but not plus size like me. No, curvy women, and mix with young slim ladies to blend. Yeah, because no since plus size, the reason for it is to empower plus size women. Okay.
Me tell you say go for make us celebrities no, and as go for how the music videos pa. If you say who date celebrities ni bia na na omutai edu echa music videos na say because yentiase o ta echa pa e bia na eja one or two people bi o ma who date wo ma ye de yenim enu ti na adwuma ne ba ya na say pa no ma afre wo no ma ye hu e.
Oh, okay. I'm not dating any musician. I'm not dating anyone. Sometimes God connects people with you. You don't know.
Okay.
So I'll thank Bab's direction, and I'll made that J Songs in Swasi or Makati, and I made that SBO Ebenezer because true or no, na mama call it Kechemucha no darling video, no.
Okay.
And the likes of a whole lot of people. I'm sorry if I could mention your name.
All right.
Grateful. Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. Brema, you try homra sama.
The American say, "Oh, shed they are all kana." Not just say the confidence level is very, very high.
Okay.
Obiti baby or share Cecilia. And ma wa bremumbu. Okay. Say they are uti biya nyakuponi mientia or yeosa. At the end of the day, it's always good to say, "Obe upgrade, you enhance." Ebi ana ma basa sokakra. Inti mekwa ko trimi ana say mekwa gym na ma ye fit. But that doesn't mean say nyakupon wambo ye. Okay. So should their PM come from right from the word go now. She has this confidence and mentally, you know, she has worked on her mental health.
Okay.
And secondly, she's a very strong person.
Oh, okay.
Lastly, she's not lazy.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, we should the way animuye do. No to make audition. Or say ocean cast or say make audition with Apes. Say or move family na my advert. She put in the work. She wasn't just there na ebe fan say besin ko say. So at the end of the day, her work is paying off.
Wow.
So don't envy her. This is the time, Ghana for say I appreciate the work. We have PM. This is what she's doing. Wow. Women must learn to support each other. Who your banner can comment at here and control the phone because at the end of the day, she's putting in the work. Listen to her carefully. She has this confidence. I want secretary one nephew or say okoye a person okoye advert and on answer call yes okoye audition for the asa and she has been to an audition to SS Plus. Okay. So this is someone which is putting in the work. The least you have to do is when you buy your 2 CDs data, you come in line. Come and type, Madam, admire your strength, admire your confidence, admire your beauty. I'm looking up to you. You might not be plus size, but who sorry, I was secretary wada. Who to me call baby and so some your talent. And I only name directors are see, producers are see, error wrong who they mom. But she didn't do that. Okay. She has to go through the right process. And a nyankopo hataso or body or bonadi or so yameba or see me page out. So why the envy? Why must you come and hate? The only thing I'll be is auto 2 CDs data now only show crown at ideas and all about transfer phone. Rebecca Samami, why are dear? Wow. Because she has put in the work. It's as I appreciating. Wow. Yeah, and chairman Kobase, yeah, PM now. Because for all you know, if you are not the whole of Africa, she's the only plus side to win reality show. Yeah. For research, for all you know, if you are not the whole of Africa, only the pan more do or super. What to me really reality show. It's Ghana, you are there, sombo. But Ube call like Ube trolling. You'll be bullying her. You'll be saying things that will make her crawl back into her shell. Ube jeans, oh, yeah, the papi. And soon, in Kaya Bruni, be a year no winning ya. Ube cock born Samama. It's hard and I appreciate it. Okay. Me cry if I meet you and I be like, hey, and then we crack on my dash. Okay, so I mean, I applaud her and she has done so when I won't say for a shame. Obi said them with Susan. Say, Raddy Miss Sundren, I say, maybe I tell my baby, but maybe crash at them with Susan. I mean, your buying, yes, Shatta, the Papa, believe in yourself and put proud of yourself armor and go out there. There's something special waiting for you because Nyankopon on your mistake. Nyankopon on your mistake. Namisha, Mammy, and I'm trying to every time for me and you, Awafo and Krato and Fambra. Na yehese ne neme kuya wanhwa ne yentimi amfa phone calls so yentimi ampeke calls ande wadwenchiro enu nti number na eda o screen anim bomodi yana fo adwenchiro nyina efa WhatsApp audio aye maye typing so a type natural the person with trauma pm bia wadwene bia ka afachere etwa me ho abesia Ebusi and for me more kwaba beam and nasia kesiye and frankoma aboafo wana soma se nyina papa go furniture in kunwa papa efi Jeffas mixture heba medicine ba ko pache se Ghana krum hade kenkon itu yare biase Jeffas P capsules so emema as I say power I angel beverages angel drinks I Debbie's closet, cute cat, palo, kwejo, shoes, middle, ensemble. Oh my God, we're in good business. Say, dear sir, car now or G and essential cars now or G. A Honsensum, at say, was yet is any book free and on sign the coy, a ampa, and I say, yeah, although. Dear sir, we need you. Your mouth cast the door saying. Yet say a mouth cast no see a mouth carno. Your sign Jiffrey wins him, and on a home to say. Oh, in this okay. In this Obia like maybe I'll bet this news, a false news. Okay. Yeah, Nipa no print why a blog and so on. She then do Missa. Yeah, can't hear my no. Okay, can't say me dear, and no can in there. Me the buy.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
How many years ni?
That was from 2019. It's a movie
6 years.
Yeah.
And I still now we use you.
That's right. It's me share actually say visitu bisusuna na matoka so am dem na mia, you know.
Na otina ma
what
you say ye wi ana do number na toja. Na otina so sorry otina ka ni mu a. What time net adwo?
Me kwan so nye ti de bia me to short.
Wonye sure say ye woto no e na tie ebubu shots.
Me kwan nye I know you have to be realistic. Me knew a MP Mr. Bomodi abe ma me why. Mr. Me kwan nye ti de bia.
Okay.
Tie anjoa shocks best say.
Okay.
Aha.
What hips size no e saying. Or two hips no.
Which I can't tell.
Tape measure no.
It makes me 80.
80.
Yeah.
Or hips and quite 80.
80.
Wow. I say I what them when you talk and watching what can you know. I know what's that.
Once a time na yame boy no. Momo pentem free hold. You think I'm nya wo chema nyame an go be hihia wo ka.
Go be say come at say wa hihia no. Yeah, that was why PM. Send ya woken. Yes, I can see you too kwan. Easy, yetimi tina plane e ma ye comfortable. Abrad yasa, uri ni ye no. Yede wo Dubai no. Yes, is it Emirates or plane no? Make say yes plane no. One kum. E ba ne sen, e no so ho nsem eni say. No kre, and I say.
That issue there, I don't want to talk about it because me planning Dubai no. Me planning and say I say want to kwanda na like or me da kra na me machine ma put my bag na ma say boko there. Say ma me too kwan yo. But me come my me blue hair, rasta bipa, Charlie. Add me foot, add me chat. The combination need the so set size and what I say.
And the ban say.
Because you am sure many one say, "Mommy, ping."
And do
I can't go dream play time na record pilot before do be see for.
Wow. Na plane be is Emirates and
I see Dubai so Emirates. So
oh wow.
You go do a canter ho no. And na ohwe mani ma oh send me first na ye TV any imboso man ne ko. Nti you go do a honom no. Ohwe mani ma say where are your people your people like in Penifo na your mo ko no. Na so omo chila ho no. No say okay. See I want me so mo bese o man o makasa but me dey me gina ho ne me bag na me say ready. Many guys ain't coming, Mr. Many guys ain't. At that time, now my voice near too low to your aunt.
Telling Guazana. But time, now will be too quiet. No, yeah, G. Details, Eddie Ma, make us say, play na phone. Okay. Are they penny for no? An Cassania or size in Senia, what see no plus size now, show, and that's all man said show. Because that's not you are trending all over the world.
Yeah, so initially
no. And there are some penny phones no umu ni mwana. Okay,
initially no. And no make us say management name about that because what I know ni say omunim say be to kwan no moje ye way na ye details ye passport ye bibia. Okay. But say me dey no ye last minute. Later cry na say me passport no mo ka share my friend we are vague. Okay. Wiki veins or taifa. No more catch any man, try my passport, the coyede, mom. Okay. But whatever some movie, any further arrangements, next steps need dear. Me personally, I don't know.
Oh, okay. But I don't know, young can't say, I don't know how, mean, far Emirates that, but my fuck that. Say, in case and KB, ye talk, other side, who you know, maybe 3 seats in your amount. Now, waiting me comfortable. No, man try, and as a man try other airline, and as a BBC.
Okay, so you go do hono. Omo bisa me say me too kinda. Okay. And I mean so there, me didn't acquaint no. Minim san kasa na nke be bo aba. Ka we too kinda. Na nka me am ko two plane na nka omo ade o me ye mosoro ho. Na nka omo dey aye. And I'm some koka said there because no credit or can because yes it's a want to kinda. sometimes they are not a style.
Oh, okay.
It's me so make I say Derby because not other line because I don't know you're sure. Yes, I could do Krobi Swans and what was to go Dubai.
Okay.
It's me so make I say may transit there and no dey being too quite.
Kesen komo omo tra business class man because I know no eh utimi dem sene anka oto na ye bagayam no atimi dem jeja ho to baby ya but e bia na economy no
we say omo fa first class man and first class no so no very expensive.
Okay.
In those program no.
Okay.
Omo sha se enche
okay.
You know utimi say budget no scanner no ordin.
Okay.
Ma social media flaring up no mass miscon but you say no on season 5 no must settle differences we are okay.
Okay. So season 5 no be sign akọ.
Dabio, I'm done with them like the ambassador me on say sinti omoko Dubai. Say me ma anko bi.
Yeah, I know.
Inti no ma anko bi ne ekoye nsem lawyer ni issue back and forth no.
I didn't see na o ma lawyer ebe.
Me mama me lawyer be mo. Since nothing can for since my lawyer a CU Emirates. Okay. Into me lawyer no was to help them to process things. Oh, okay. So I know the miscommunication making look like say no, it wasn't like that. Okay. But later, Papa enemy kasa promises be by near dear. Okay. But promises now empty me for free. But I ain't there no Sikane was some the mama in the day. Omo ye before the season 5 eba. Okay. So omo ye be on stage that was on as 3 years ago. Oh, okay. It's not just say uchrima omo ye went me anko no. Yeah. How omo hu sa how omo ye me compensate you. They did. Okay. How for how many months? And yeah, for months too. For years. For years, me pa because the year crying say me kana and shimi gidi because now you know through that no spread it throughout to say I say ija ato remu no so all over the world. Wow. So you know I had the privilege to say BBC ni me be interview. Okay. So I went to various platforms back to back. So I see it's a 50-50 no. Through negativity no God made it to be grace. And Tebasa na wonam for make say o colleagues ni di kan call ya wan kono say na wo feel at that time no I felt bad. I felt bad. Okay, I felt bad. Na me ra ho. But now most of the times no me din PM no kwani en frame me. Lady Nan, lady uncle one couple. Me sometimes me ti obi a no because uni lady way. So that be when you for I say I'm say uni me. Me na lady na one couple no say papa that issue no come to you over man show no. They say I know that. You get it, yeah. So, oh wow. Yeah. And see why you so besan to kwan bi? Oh, Debbie Ayana me sometimes I want to travel to explore. Okay. To know how other plus size feel, you know, because it seems like social media plus size people are shy in other countries who to say they are doing their best, but enough. Sometimes I wish to travel to mingle with them to not have me too quiet as my bahy. I am going to be a meeting wow. And to send your working PM. Send your home friend send your city. And to ya penny be an as be a ma. I mean, first class maybe my own to kind. Oh, okay. Since in for whom you are on, almost say, oh, dear, so body out kitty. The MP for body MP. I so minim MP ni bia. So me who ayi mo station president ya na TV so. Me who the experts na TV so. Yeah, papa doctor Kwekwoti. Yes. Okay, nti person papa doctor ne to ayi bi. And show camera ni mo na fa ka kire no pa ne chewe. Why oni MP for boom din pa show camera ni. Doctor Kweku. At saying President 1 or see idea you Obemo si mama Benny bi nka ho.
Onsinsuo mu ansa na
Waham. Yeah, akula wa no ntia so bebu be.
Bema otumi di kenten kon
Sio. Aha.
Oya adie yi.
Dada, Mr. Me power show. Nkebe ya mpacho, odie twa me surprise. At least 1 week vacation bi kwa abrochire bi baby. Odie US den ka Donald Trump say no green card, no entry. Odie baby na obi ehu say, why ye ni nyina? I know you can do it. Wow, you too.
So, Mama, what question be a opese o de ma PM na Europe apa?
Na me bisa se na wo se uni obi wodi nkomo ni ade. Enti na se me bisa se na se dia wo tie nyama dosu wo favorite sex position den.
Oh, okay. Initially, my favorite sex position, yeah, doggy.
Why doggy? Why? I didn't see her.
Yeah, especially okay, make it to myself. Yeah, I have a belief say senya metosono for easy penetration.
Okay.
Yeah. Now nipa no ombre, so you all be more comfortable. Now we're participating more for money na more enjoy to get to the straight palon.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think say kakra me de be kan concerning nkomo ayedi so far ni say ade nyina mu no we try not to say be pull you obi down, but for health wise health reasons no make I say there are so many options as in losing weight. Now would nkomo no o ka say to me na unji ndi po say obetumi anti o pesa obe ha ho wa fa ne sa. But your phobia who call internet me they were way bigger. We've seen 600 pounds, we've seen 1,200 pounds, and they've equally lost it. And I'm actually a gaslight sleeve. Gaslight sleeve, no. You have say you from to Kona a 10%, no. Almost chat emu 8%. Etubu. No ma pam. Naka 2%. Into a day, no. So to me the dokono ball back. Because of say 8% na 2 egunu to me di dokono ball back wo be di kra bia unsa mienu pa wetin di na wa men and also boa for weight process. So concerning weight loss journey, there are so many ways that you can go about it. Inti men no bu wa be na aka say to me if you really want to do it if only you can do it.
Okay,
because I'm equally an example say ma wo for me will be am ye kese pa but so call me page I work out, I take my eating habits seriously, I'm on diet, everything. Now I'm getting back in shape. And you know, the body is such in a way, so programming a response.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, Mama, can I respond?
Yes, please.
Okay. It's not
Mama,
like
thank you.
It's not like say even though since me plus no, I don't want to try to live a healthy lifestyle.
Okay.
So talking about gastric sleeve, no.
Yes.
Initially, I was about to.
Oh, okay.
You know, I didn't want to say it on camera.
Oh no. Feel free. No. Because maybe I will back so just feel free and talk.
So Alice Charming, thank you very much. Dagati girl, she's a blogger. She's been part of this journey.
Yeah, I know Dagati.
Yeah, with Lily, she came with the idea that we should try and do that.
Yeah.
So investigation idea. That's kind of no day. But initially, I had someone who have already come into the pipeline. There is this woman. She's a doctor.
Okay.
But me finidi. By a friend, Dr. Sifa. Minyanichu blogger Gorgeon.
Okay.
So I say in common gusu cost weight.
It's in the pipeline.
And so you know, I don't want to put it out there yet. Okay. But whoever wants to help, who want to help and want to support, say PM to lose weight. Why not? I'm not saying I don't want to lose weight. I want to you know, have a different body to feel that one as well. So anybody can, you know, come and join us to help me. I'm pleading everybody to come and join me and help me. Thank you.
So thank you so much. Inti say na pese omma osotino. Otono so esobeti you how.
Oh, I mean, sir, you know, and some Dr. Sifa be catch me about you know, or catch me, and I'm your home research.
Okay.
I call your home research near dear, you know. It doesn't say from now, from last year, and I just think I didn't see. I also see a call roughly by January.
Okay.
But I say there is some step back and forth. So we need people on board. But me, I don't really talk. I don't really talk. It is me have a big crowd. Once the bear meeting is so people may think say me or me home see, you know. But I always think wow, idea. Me this is my first time pleading for people to come and help me. I don't do that.
Okay.
I don't do that.
There's nothing wrong in doing it, sis.
Oh yeah.
But sometimes you know the perception of this our society is kind of something else. So from last year, Dagati Bedi Mihwa say my family, everybody. I'm Dr. Maxwell Legon campus. He's the one taking in charge of my dieting and stuff. From last year, I've not Mindy carbohydrate food. I'm strictly doing keto diet. So me past last year videos near the ultimate there was a change in self, you know, so I what I based on
doctors in a year, sure say, and near my mama way no improvement also better because enya wukomu na ebetu to mu no e na kire say we improvement say also day
and I'm personally explaining say say keto diet you can't do it forever.
Oh okay. Okay, because
one she are 9 recently cry was the plus size people are trying to lose weight. A bit to me fan who cry.
Oh okay.
Yes. You can't do some diet be on my you can't do it forever. So you have to diet now call hospital to check yourself. To do other little stuff. Into the then 3 days come my doctor Nikasai. Okay. So we have to reset it again because I can't do that forever. Okay.
Doctors Nyame
never be saying no unya improvement gidi. You don't put it on air. Once that people will be so much they want to but me I want it in a way me probably be home 2 years time they'll see the transformation. That's how I want it. Okay. But I don't say mama kind and mama made tipping in kakra. But those who are with me to say short boy multimedia money money one face money they've been with me because they call hospital I mean you are more you know I have people who are
so pressure ta kosropa pressure no pressure ruby.
No.
Okay, but we are there kakra no wabre.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And I won't no pressure ruby answer. Okay, but ruby offer a support health any idea. It be a vitamin bibia no bibia. Oh okay, what do you assume kwa? Okay.
Assume kwa me no jo just recently I'm person me call hospital for a little checkup because of me and I'm starting to know some little changes
but what
be a sha then times me sha na chechire me
okay
me toy na chechire ma ha no but recently me times emission want to say aye we but don't see me so no me body ni mu yeju so you won't see it just and then but me within myself you know I'll feel certain little changes. But if I want serious, rigorous media, a bit check.
Thank you. PM, mo soon say no. Miss Remy Bisa, ebusian for Monfanche me. Moye den ya ho sebi moto ene ebia ebusian for Monfanche me. Moye na mo ho moturu mo, moye den na sebi mo ho ma he mo. Moye den na mo ho mo bia because e na do na wo mo ka say mo amoso no sometimes montimi wash mo ho ye echen yen na say yen hyeda nso no but me bebre na wo no mo a yen hyeda nso no kra no yen di ehuni echen mo a mo so no nti moye den na mo ho any ade.
Oh okay Senya slim for cram on sana yin akesifo yin so cry home.
Okay.
You use clean water or maybe salt water with warm water to just clean yourself. Sometimes lemon with to once it honey. A bit more you so body splash.
Oh, okay.
I mean I don't use that.
Okay.
Baby ebu
okay.
Yeah, a bit more so you so lemon.
Okay.
Any a jar. Away, so
okay.
No mood because you all know since everybody in baby so no one since sometimes a whole team here dry, sometimes a whole team here watch you.
Okay.
The whole day sentence
okay.
It's weird. And no gloves.
Oh yeah.
Water.
Yes.
Yeah, you see a cum crew.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you slim people is nothing special. The only thing is that your extra body,
Okay.
But apart from the latents you people use, that's the same thing.
So apart from say okay, cancer na we nyina no. PM. Ye pese wankasa me bisa wankasa. Oye den na wo ho. Sabe wase wa hemu. Okoto ana wo gina ho. Ana because e adesua na yesua ni nyina ka experience no bi. Yeah.
Okay, it depends on the type, It be better age now to wash themselves from their back to their front. A bit nasi.
But oh yeah, then and I will cross our honor private party.
And I'm sure say me now nasi. Sometimes I feel like my extra is not me go to jail. I can't.
Okay,
It's meet nasi. So you get the time to do more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's meet na kunya ketewa so from etwimeko sa de etena so
twimeko. Say me ye aduane.
Oh, okay. Aduane ben pa na ya ope.
Rice.
Okay, and what?
Rice and stew, jollof, cabbage stew. Aduane be my favorite food though.
Okay.
Bibia goes so far as my stomach is okay, but now I don't eat those. So.
Wow. Mama, for final we bring me yapon na fe no.
Okay, kakra me the
sister two for na.
Me obatan.
Okay.
Nti me kasafa raising up nkola ho ase omunyi enye obese too much no.
Okay.
Yen hwe nkola no me didie mu. Awofo ne yembo omo.
Okay.
Akola bi o ho a opeduane.
Okay.
Like but who mother no. When I say what me control no.
Okay.
Because ono no sa onim bi oye. Eya na ebi so e genetic e we ebusuanim. Nti no we den crap na obey kese there be ubetumi a control.
Okay.
Nti na awofo no embre mo mbo ankwala no because uwo no na uhwe na say bia okita sa jeans na otu na wona wo ya mother no parents no wona aboa no nti at early stage no ubetumi ama na start training as in gym me ba second boy 11 years okọ gym am de ne ko. I'm telling him say you need to get fit and be in good shape because he's aspiring to become a footballer.
Okay.
Into who aspires to become footballer and so to me build wakuma for America anytime into the parents yen hwe nkola na embo omo who sa de ne kura no sa kase no one only way na it will always controllable ubetimi a control right from the where go dieting and the working out implementing my kola no fashion agi obenyi no beka say hey waboa mi o my enja ne sa keke say oya kola na so so no e kase jobo na e fedebi ye mo akola no
na me sha mama say we ton safra o bai PM but show camera nim na o final ways na fe
okay me final ways me do bibia say with it for new bibia say to working the journey with me da Ken Prince promotion ono ane me manager one or square cram me mo bia oboa me to the journey ni nyina o so ma say especially me mama happy birthday in advance. Yeah, 29th May, my birthday. Happy birthday. Lydia Setche.
Into wishing, of course, so.
Okay, happy birthday, Lydia Setche. Ya me sure no nyo kese mama ba ko pe. Mata de e she me Janelle Vuch or TikTok. Uboni din ya obehu ni wo ho. And na me way me ushering service in patch on mo social media, oko Instagram, oko Snap, oko TikTok. Afeni aba foforo into wedding open girls ushers me patch PM ushering service.
Okay.
Your events are commitment. Pacho, mumba me na minya bibi kakra na mitimi ma me so nti. Why?
And some ya can now final ways, Eden.
And my final words ni say, believe in yourself, love yourself. Don't let people make you look like. Don't let people intimidate you, and don't listen to friends. You know they'll be the same one. We know we have friends who will push you. They say people will bring you down. Just pray to God. Let God be your friend and your everything. It's a girl PM.
Na me bisa me refi na me bisa say woni namfo ntem te say but say ye brand nti ya pon woni namfo ntem ma me just 1 minute pe senia shape ni tie ni senia wotie no eni patwe ben woni namfo ntem ete say
okay
anasa damfo bi e betrogiu e betray wana
no dey pa okay so me nyen say ma na me friend bi am ni no wo ho me na me boni di Belinda. Unfortunately, we're free.
Okay.
So, yeah, she was everything. Maybe I be my friend and Apple here in Euro. She'll be there. Okay. But unfortunately, friend be a minyaye. Uko umpna train wakoka. Ena also pescaba. Ena me missing my boy home mobo no send you be.
Okay.
Now my boy I send you ska now they are bar. Now say me the young people per questions. Now me need pay baby some questions about tell me about your friend. You just have to keep quiet because you don't I don't know you saw no life. I can say say I see I know working there. You do voice issue. And I say baby na quiet the ben and mommy relationship say.
Oh.
Yeah. And a friend we once helped. I really liked her a lot. But so to me could now baby can say PM there. Me sure say maybe a bit me worry.
Ooh.
So these things made me stronger. These things make me know say my God is not done with me yet.
Yes.
So things like this it doesn't weigh me down. So me like this, apart from I lost my friend, I have friends like Sylvia like this, she or La Paz or any they always there for me. But at the end of the day, all these little things, Amami will say, I'll give you a space as a friend, but I won't do too much on your side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. But your phone number to Jan case say obi person frewa. We now person we ninti.
Me ocean service no. Me patch ejumani pom patch mo be and frame me for a EB strictly for ejuman. I'm begging you guys. 0242 840181. Ocean service nipe, I beg you.
Phone number no to Jabi na social media handles.
0242 840181. The social media handle PM Rains on Instagram, TikTok PM Rains, Facebook PM Rains. Everywhere PM Rains.
PM Nyame Shao NGO TV that's say to nsafre wa obai Nyame Shao pa ichia mama Nyame nkosombo ne ho ban we wish you happy birthday Nyame nkosonshira na onye ne kese pa no ma nkwa no ntena se no ntumi enye wakoma onji on woto ne nan so
Aware ni ebe
aware ndi ejina ye baby
yes
aware we di ye mfa na agoro di kura Nyame nshira mama for telephone number etuja
Pacho, my number is 0245 134600. Me Adrian be out Adrian. Me am of come.
Okay. Pacho, yes, what number again?
My number no is 0245 134600. Let's take one.
Mama, only PM Nyamisha mo say tunza fe mo mobile. Ebusia aha na bread mema kwan e di dwumadi no ye de asi Nyankopon koso onhraw onye okese mame ommo ho ban mame seda ne da unya bre na ohwe yi dukwasi adase yo say enye na yas experiences me ni bebia me ko isanse misua ne ma bebre e di free yesan so etunsa free counselors ekukudam fo na mpo say asofo ana wona wokasa ekwa echi ne to akoma so edium eba show ne so Nyame onhraw pa enase kese enkoma aboafo a wona so masen nyina Papago furniture Jeffers mixture Jeffers pea capsules Angel beverages Debbie's closet Cute cat parlor Kwejo shoes Yankopon onkoso onyam kese dasane ebesan ehia. Original Nayas.